it is Random Acts of Kindness Week, which always falls on whatever week that Valentine's Day falls on. And I love this idea, the random acts of kindness. I mean, I think that you shouldn't just do them during a week, which you all know, of course. But it's a great idea to just think about how could we add a little more sparkle or joy or connection to someone's day. It's kind of fun. We could be curious about that. And I don't even think that, they have to be random. I think it's great to go and do extra things to add sparkle to strangers' lives, but it's also great to maybe do that extra thing for someone who who could use a little extra something. Because the theme of the month is enough. And that shows up in lots of different ways. But because, random acts of kindness and it's Valentine's week, we think about love and love, not just in romantic love, but all the different ways that we show up and share love. And kindness is one of them. And what is amazing about it is there's always enough love. We don't run out. When you give someone a hug, you don't hit your quota. You don't run out. You have more. When you share kindness, you have more. When you share love, you have more. You don't run out. And that's a wonderful thing to remember about the idea of enough. When we pull from the inner wellspring of the truth of who we are, when we pull from our deep Godness, we don't run out of love and kindness and compassion and joy. We don't run out. There's enough. There's always enough. There's more than enough. Isn't that wonderful? And it's also good to remember that what we give is enough. Sometimes we feel like there's something going on in the world or in someone we care about's life, and we wish we could do more. And I think the most compassionate thing we can do for ourselves and whoever we're thinking about is remembering that what we do, we come from our heart and we do what we can. We have to allow that it's enough and hold the space that if there's more for us to do, we would do it because we would feel called to do it. So we give ourselves self-compassion in that way. And then we allow the space to be inspired if there's more to do.